Hello everyone.
Hi.
We're off to Amish country.
We're heading to Sight and Sound this weekend.
We're going to see the play Jesus.
And we're going to eat some really good Amish food.
Okay, so we're heading on to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Specifically, we're going to be staying at a campground in Intercourse, Pennsylvania. What are you laughing at, Wyatt? Here we are at Beacon Hill Campground. It's our campsite for the weekend. They have a nice little dog park. We're getting ready to take Gemma over here. Hi, Steph.
Hey.
Today is Carla's birthday. Happy birthday, Carla.
Thank you.
Love you.
What?
Where are we right now?
Intercourse.
Right across the road from our campsite, this farm.
So we're sitting here waiting because our father is feeling domestic and decides he wants to make waffles. The men being domestic, making the coffee and the waffles, making the coffee and the waffles.
Beacon Hill Campground.
No, it's bacon.
Bacon it?
No.
Oh, bacon. Oh, I thought you said it's bacon.
I've been messing with this the whole time.
Death Star waffles, courtesy of Alyssa Warnick.
I'll take that.
You want me to give it to you too? Yeah.
It's a small campground, but it's extremely well maintained. Everything is really nicely landscaped and everything is really clean. I'm very pleased with it. It was quite congested, but again, everything is so well maintained that it almost doesn't really matter. And it's very quiet. One drawback for families is they don't allow anyone to stay under 16 years of age. Some of the sites have decks. Sean and Susan joined us this time. Very happy to have them with us on their trip.
Hey,
Hello, hello, hello. It's Carla's birthday today. We are going to go out and just have some fun.
Yeah.
We're going to check out the Amish market, possibly do some miniature golf, a bunch of other stuff. Let's go. Blakely is first up. Her first ball went all the way over the bridge and almost killed the duck.
Yeah, it is.
So we're going to make sure we get this
Give her a
one
mulligan.
recorded.
Give her a mulligan.
This is a mulligan.
Everybody nice and
Yeah.
quiet for Stephanie.
I've never tried this before.
It's a 6-stroke limit.
All right, that's 1 stroke. Now, Wyatt
What
goes
you
next.
do, Susan, is have us take score for you guys, and then you take score for us.
Then we got 5.
So I want to show something. I've been watching
Black or green?
this bridge, and I see the first ball that Stephanie hit right there. You should be proud.
Oh, Wyatt. Wyatt. Wyatt.
You might get it.
This might be it. Oh! Oh!
Hello everyone, we're off to see Jesus.
At Sight and Sound Theater in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I just bought some homemade bread.
And some sticky buns.
All right,
I'm just here for the ride.
let's go. We're turning into the road, heading to Sight and Sound Theaters. Obviously by the traffic pattern, the earlier show has just let out.
I always used to buy a note.
Hi, Sam. Tonight is Carla's birthday. We're just having a little get together. Tomorrow we head home.
I'll probably have to work till 2 o'clock then.
I don't know. Whatever you gotta do.